Welcome to Story Orchard, where every tale grows into something unforgettable and every word helps you grow your English. Before we dive into today's story, tell me, do you enjoy listening with a cup of coffee or is tea your thing? Here, we don't just tell stories. We help you discover new words, improve your English, and take you right inside the world of the story. So get comfortable, relax, and let's begin today's journey together. Love and money have always been like two sides of the same coin. Both are important, but when one shines too brightly, the other often fades away. Some say money destroys love, while others say without money, love can't survive. The truth is deeper. Ali and Sana's story shows us the pain of choices. Ali was a struggling artist who believed in love, while Sana dreamed of a stable future. At first, their romance was like a fairy tale, but soon reality knocked on the door. Sana grew tired of endless financial struggles, while Ali kept holding on to love. Finally, one day, she chose to marry someone wealthy, leaving Ali heartbroken. This proves that sometimes money can take away love, no matter how pure it feels. Then we see the opposite side through Zayn and Mahira. They married for money, not love. Zayn's family was rich, and Mahira stepped into a palace of luxury. But soon, she realized her husband barely cared for her heart. Their marriage looked perfect from the outside, but was empty on the inside. She had diamonds and cars, but cried herself to sleep every night. These two stories show us how love without money feels incomplete, and money without love feels meaningless. Miriam and Armin's story is another reality check. They believed in love over everything, but when Armin lost his job and Miriam carried the financial burden, their relationship started to fall apart. Miriam cried one night, saying love doesn't pay the bills. Love doesn't feed our children. Armin stayed silent because he knew she was right. Slowly, their fire turned into ashes. On the other side, Aisha's story shows the opposite. She lived in wealth, but felt trapped in a golden cage. Her husband only cared about business, and she only craved love. She wrote in her diary, "I would trade all my diamonds for one genuine hug." These stories connect with global surveys. More than half of divorces are because of money issues, while many people in loveless marriages stay only for financial stability. So, what's the truth? The truth is that love and money are not enemies, they are teammates. Money provides comfort, while love provides meaning. If you choose only money, you may never feel loved, and if you choose only love, you may end up broken and hopeless. But if you choose wisely a person who values love and is responsible with money, you win both battles. Just like Hina and Salman, who worked as a team. In the beginning, they struggled but supported each other through thick and thin. Slowly, their financial life improved, and so did their bond. When asked about their secret, Hina smiled and said, "We didn't choose love over money or money over love. We chose each other and built both together." That's the true secret, because at the end of life, you won't ask about your bank balance. You will ask who loved me truly. And when you're struggling for survival, you won't ask for poetry. You will ask, do we have enough money for tomorrow? That's why life is about balance. Too much focus on love blinds you from reality, and too much focus on money turns you into a machine. The real answer is balance. So if you ever stand between love and money, don't rush and don't choose blindly. Ask yourself, does this person bring peace to my heart? And do they bring stability to my life? Because true happiness is not choosing love alone or money alone. True happiness is finding someone who makes you feel rich in love and safe in life. That is the real win in the battle of love versus money.